We have a nice equation problem here. Let us solve this for x. The given equation is square root of x divided by square root of x cubed to the power minus 1 equals 4. Then we can write square root of x divided by 1 by square root of x cubed equals 4, because if we have a to the power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by a. So from the above equation, we can write square root of x times square root of x cube equals 4. We can simplify more by writing square root of x times x square into x equals 4, because x cube can be separated as x square into x. Next we can write square root of x times x into square root of x equals 4, because square root and square cancels each other, we get x out of the square root. Next we can write x into square root of x whole square equals 4, because there are two square roots, and if we multiply those two, we get square root of x whole square. Next we can write x times x equals 4, because square root and square cancels each other, we get x. Next we can write x square equals 4. By taking the square root for both sides, we can write x square equals square root of 4, which gives us x equals plus minus 2. But the value of minus 2 is not acceptable for this equation, since we have the square root of x on the numerator. So square root of any negative value for the x is not acceptable. So the valid solution for this equation is x equals 2, and x is not acceptable for minus 2. So this is the valid solution for this problem. Thanks for watching the video.